Cross your fingers. Oh. Okay, in the last video, we watched it rain inside the camper. Here's my setup. Alright, reaching off from the sides, my arms aren't long enough to get to the middle off that ladder, so I need to go on the roof. It's not a want, because I don't want. It's a need, and good freaking grief. This is where we left off. Let's see if I can get them up. Work smarter, not harder. Anyway, we got 2 buckets going up there. It's still dripping. Hopefully I'm not making you seasick. I'm trying to go slow, as you are riding on my head at the moment. So there's a little bit of support there. I'm hoping that it's enough. This is a steel framed camper, so it should be okay. Got my new BFF or BFH maracas. Got a pad on the floor so we don't punch a hole in that. We got a pad on the ceiling so we don't punch a hole in that. We should be good. Yep, still a little bit over there, but apparently these are all holes. As you saw in the last video, I can actually feel that one. That's a hole. So oh, we got some water up there I gotta get rid of. We're almost ready. So I'm pretty sure this was a hole here. I'm glad I put that on. I'm glad I patched those rust holes. There's another one right there. You can actually see into it. So this is Swiss cheese. Are you liking the POV? It's easiest on me to have the camera on my ear the way it is. So we got, what's different here is this one requires a catalyst. Liquid roof, ProGuard, I could not find it in the I couldn't find it to order it, so I ended up ordering this stuff, which came with the church key. That's nice. I'm going up. I'm not going to subject you to, I gotta fix that too. I'm not going to subject you to an entire roof painting party. So we'll just do a little piece, if I can get up here without falling off. Ugh, I hate this. Transition kills me every time. Will it hold me? Oh my god, this thing's hot. Okay, my support is right here, so I'm going to try and work from there. In addition to not boring you to death. What happened there? I don't believe this camera's going to last long in this heat, so it is hot up here. I'm glad I brought that rug. Okay, well, let's try it. Try a little bit. Ew. It's thin. It's a lot thinner than I expected. This might take 2 coats. Okay, let's see if we can get in front here. This is where water was pooling a little bit ago. This is going to take 2 coats, I know it is. 1 coat, my Aunt Franny. But it should, yeah, it's filling it. It's filling the holes, which is what we want. It's burning my hand too. Not the state of the rubbery stuff. Maybe it flows out. I'm not thinking it ain't going to. I'm going to go over here. I can feel the support under my knee. Do this. Do not paint yourself into a corner. It'll be bad. There's my support. Holy shit, this was hot. Sorry, pardon my French. I'm going left hand now. I'm burning my knees. Holy moly, it's hot up here. Shit. Holy God, it's hot. It's only May. Man, I'm already burning myself. Well, one thing this white is probably going to do, I can't see how it wouldn't, is make this cooler. And when I put solar panels on here, it'll probably be bifacial panels, raised up a little bit. And struggle's real, folks. At least try to make it pretty. Yeah, this is drying as I'm putting it. Alright, I'm either going to fast forward this for you and make a little speed montage, or I'm just going to clip this out. Yeah, where I started, it's already dry. Ah, yeah. That's why I'm wearing this. I knew it was going to happen. I just knew it. Oh well. You do what you can do. Alright, let's take a look. I got most of it done. I did have to patch one spot. There was a hole there. I don't know what happened to this roof, but it wasn't pretty. I'm not sure about the perforations over here. I can still see them. Get up there. I'll get up there and put another coat on tomorrow. I might have to put some of this stuff, cloth, over those. I think I'm going to put the liquid roof, the old stuff, on up here. And I might try to get some more. I couldn't find it, so I'm hoping that maybe I can find some. Because this appears to be just latex paint, which will it work? I don't know. I'll tell you, it's a lot cooler than the bare metal was. Here's where we are so far. We got one coat on. I still got to do some touching up around the back, and that'll be off the ladder. And then do another whole coat, the whole roof. Hopefully that's the end of my woes. Alright, let's take a look. It's pretty good. There's 2 coats. I don't know if I should do a third or not. That was 1 gallon of paint. Did the whole roof. I gotta get some of these, whatever those are. Yeah, so 1 gallon covered the whole roof. Hopefully this is the end of my leaking problem. Still I'm gonna have to have help to take the air conditioner off to do the little bit underneath. It's just there's probably just that much left. Anyway, there's a roof. Hopefully I don't have to come back up here again. What do you think we should do next? The braces? Solar? Put in the comments. Let me know what you think. Okay, moment of truth. It rained last night. What am I going to find? Tried to glue that back up. Ain't happening. Cross your fingers. Oh. It's empty. It's dry. On to, see, we need a new windshield. We need brakes on all 4 corners. We need shocks. Then it will be roadworthy. Then maybe we can start doing the engine modifications. Sorry, I'm moving my head too much. Then maybe we can take it for a road trip. I've got this up on pool noodles, so hopefully that dries out. If there was any water under there, which I don't think much got there, maybe just a little bit. Okay, I'm excited. Alright, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.